So until now, we've looked at the entrepreneurial mindset, we've went through some product ideation, looked at the market research required, and even analyzed our target customer for our products. MFP3 now will look at a supplier analysis and help you find the best suppliers and best partners to supply your products to your customers. We're going to be looking at and emphasizing the importance of supplier analysis on growth, stability, and success of your company. It's always important to diversify your suppliers and help mitigate risk through different supply chains. So we're going to be looking at the different techniques to help you interact and evaluate suppliers in a lot of different aspects other than just pricing. We're going to start off by providing an RFI, or request for information, then an RFQ, a request for quotation, summarize all the data gathered, and then help you evaluate and score the suppliers together. So by the end of this section, we're going to help you find the best supplier and help you find the best partner to fuel your e-commerce and provide the widest array of product offerings possible for your customers.